Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monticello to near Apple River, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, New Glarus, Monticello, Argyle, Rita, South Wayne, Browntown, Gratiot, Judah, Avon, Jordan Center, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm